Middleport Pottery in Stoke-on-Trent was constructed in 1888 by Burgess Leigh and is one of the most intact examples of a Victorian model pottery factory. Designed to streamline production and improve working conditions. It remains the historical home of Burleigh earthenware, where traditional underglaze transfer printing and handcrafted techniques continue to be used in production, preserving skills that are rare elsewhere. The complex includes a rare surviving bottle oven and is a Grade 2 star-listed site that still functions as both a working pottery and a heritage visitor destination. The site was at risk of closure in the early 2000s, prompting intervention by the Prince's Regeneration Trust, an organisation founded by Charles, then Prince of Wales, which acquired and funded a multi-million-pound restoration project to preserve the buildings and ongoing ceramic production. Charles, now King, has maintained a personal interest in the pottery's regeneration and heritage mission, having visited the site multiple times in his role with the Trust and to support its work in conserving traditional craft and community heritage.